Hi, my name is Brandon Lucia, and I am a digital audio technology student at Cogswell Polytechnical College. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a crunk hip-hop beat in just
5.5 minutes.
Now, for those of you who are not familiar with crunk is a... Today, I'm going to use Logic Pro. Okay, so we're going to open up Logic, create a new instrument. Now we're going to create an ultra beat drum machine. Find one that says 808.
That sounds cool, but it's a little too clubby and a little too fast. Let's lower the tempo. Okay, we'll do 20. Let's just make a brand new drum pattern. No, it's not gonna work. I'm gonna have to add it on the downbeat. I like this. I really like this. We've got our initial drums. Now we're gonna take this little thing, we're gonna drag it to the timeline. Now I'm going to take every single one of these tracks and I'm going to split them up individually. And I'm gonna EQ them and everything. This class tutorial is only allowed to be 3 minutes, and 3 minutes is not a lot of time for me to do this, so I'm gonna have to hit the fast forward button. Here we go, through the magic power of video editing. Okay, we have all our tracks separated. I'm going to apply a little bit of equalization and some compression.
Now let's start with perhaps a bass. Will a bass go good with this? Hard to tell, but let's copy paste this. I think that's enough. Let's open up an ES2. Let's just find a nice simple bass. That works. Okay, now let's distort it. Gotta remember to cut off that low end. Okay, here we go. I usually play around until I find a groove I like. That's just how I do it. Okay, let's see what we got here. And I'm just gonna copy paste this. Let's start over. Really like that. So now it's time for our synthesizer. Like I said, standard crunk style. I'm gonna make another EV2. Now let's find a crunk lead. Okay, trance lead. Let's see if that works. Hey, what's up? I'm just gonna go with that. Now, this riff is just a sharp going to a natural, so it's just like P.D. Pablo's Freaka League. Here we go. We're just gonna do a simple sharp to natural riff, and then we're gonna go an octave up, just like every crunk song ever made. So here we go. Let's all get crunk, yo, in the club. Quantize all of this. We're gonna call this Get Crunk, and I'm gonna raise it up an entire octave. So we're at G sharp 3. So okay, we've got that. Now let's just copy paste that. And I like to start my songs off with like a little bit of the riff, and then a little bit of the bass, and then just the bass just drops in. So then we're gonna cut the bass in half. It's a very rough arrangement for all intents and purposes. This is basically our crunk beat. Oh yeah. Oh, wait for the drop, bro. Wait for the drop. Okay, there we go. That's my crunk beat. If you have a friend with a giant chalice and can scream yeah, what, and okay into your microphone without breaking it, then there you go. There's your crunk. Go forth and get crunk.